Welcome to Just Shock Online Maths. If you have not subscribed to our channel, we encourage you to please consider subscribing to our channel. Subscription is actually free. And please don't forget to share all that we are doing in this channel on all your social media platforms. And then please don't forget also that the key in mathematics is practice. Watch this video over and over again. Practice whatever we are doing here. And I'm sure in no time you will agree with me that mathematics is actually very simple. Still under quadratic equation this time. Another thing entirely now. This I'll be looking at how we can construct quadratic equation when we are given what root. With a given root, sometimes we can be given root. That means, in our previous video we uploaded, we said that the unknown, that is what, either x or y, usually have what, two answers. Now those two answers are referred to what as the root. Now sometimes you can not be given the root and not be asked to do what, to construct the quadratic equation. That is exactly what we'll be doing in this video. Now we have two questions on the board here that says construct quadratic equations whose roots are given below. A minus 3 and plus what? Plus 5. B minus 7 and what? Plus 13. Is actually very what? Simple. See what I'm going to do now. You write solution as usual. So A now, the roots are what? Minus 3 and what? And plus 5. Now you can decide to choose whatever you want to use, either x or y or z or a or c, whatever you like. I would like to use x. This means that what? X, the value of x equals to what? X equals to what? Minus 3, or x equals to what? Equals to what? 5. That is meaning of plus 5. Now this is the same thing as saying that x, if this one come here, it turns to what? Plus 3 equals to 0, or x, if this one come here, it turns to what? Minus 5 equals to 0. Now this is the same thing as saying x plus 3, full bracket, x minus 5 is equals to 0. So all I do here, I'm going to open this bracket now. I'm going to use what I'm having here to multiply everything I'm having here. I also use this 3 to multiply everything here. Okay? So let's start with the first one now. X times x is what? Is x squared. X times minus 5 is what? Minus 5x. I'm done with x. Now I'm going to use 3 now. 3 times x is what? This is plus here. Plus 3x. Plus times minus is what? Is minus. 3 times 5 is what? Is 15 equals to what? 0. Now if you look at these are what? Like terms, so I can add them together. So this is what? X squared. Remember, this is minus 5x plus 3x. Minus 5x means you are owing someone 5x and you have only what? 3x. So what happened? If you pay 3x out of the 5x you are owing, you will still be owing that person 2x. So minus 5x plus 3x will be what? Minus 2x minus 15 equals to what? 0. And that is our what? Our quadratic equation. We have successfully constructed our quadratic equation using these two roots that is provided for us. So that is it. Not difficult at all. Very simple. So just follow it step by step. You get the answer. Now let's do the second one again. Now B now. Minus 7 and plus 13. Minus 7 and plus 13. Okay, so this means that, let me use y this time. This means that y is equals to what? Minus 7, or y is equals to what? 13. So this thing is saying y, if this minus come here, it turns to what? Plus 7 equals to 0, or y minus 13 equals to what? 0. So what do I do here? This thing I say y plus 7, put another bracket, y minus 13 equals to what? 0. So all I do now, I'm going to open the bracket, use what I'm having here to multiply everything here. Y times y is what? Is y squared. Y times minus 13 is what? Minus 13y. Plus 7. Now I'm done with y now. Y times y is y squared. Y times this is this. So I'm going to use 7 now. Plus 7 times y is what? Plus 7y. Plus times minus is what? Is minus. 7 times 13. 7 times 13. 7 times 3 is what? 21. You write down 1, carry 2. 7 times 1 is what? 7 plus the 2. That will give us what? 9. So this equals to, 7 times 3 is 21. You write down 1, carry what? Carry 2. 7 times 1 is what? Is 7 plus the 2, 9, equals to what? 0. So what do you do here? These are like terms. So this is what? Y squared minus 13y plus 7y. You are owing somebody 13y and you have only what? 7y. Now if you pay out of that 13y you are owing, you pay back 7y, you will still be owing that person how many? You will still be owing that person 6y minus 91 equals to what? Equals to 0. So this is it. This is the quadratic equation. We have successfully constructed the quadratic equation having this root minus 7 and what? Plus 13. That is it. Not difficult at all. Very simple. If you enjoy what you have just watched, please don't forget to share this video. Once again, we appreciate you. And please watch out for the next video as we'll be solving more complex questions under the same construction of quadratic equation. Please watch that video. Watch out for it. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.